Do you want to know how to earn $90 or more per hour from Canva for free? I'm sure you want to know that, but this is the way I'm going to show you in this video how you can earn money with Canva very easily and for free. And this is really awesome. Just let me show you a proof that people are making money with Canva. If you go to Fiverr, you can see that people are making at least $50 to $100 per day and per work. It's not like per day. More work you do, more money you will get, and this is the way it is. So before I show you the method, welcome to another episode of Money Horn. This is Jash from Money Horn. If you want to know more make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to the method by which you can use Canva, and I have showed you that people are making money in Fiverr for using just Canva. This is a really good way. Before I show you how you can work with Canva, I'm going to first go to fiverr.com, and if you just go over there and search for like Canva, just Canva here in the search section, and it will show all the Canva related gigs that are currently listed on fiverr.com. So you can scroll down here and you can see that people are making design flyer, poster, banner. They design anything for $25, $15, $30 and more, and you can see that workbooks. They are designing various social media posts like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. They are making YouTube templates and more and more, and everything you can do with Canva. And you can see that people are making good amount of money. People are all of the most of the people are getting orders. This is very important for this method. You just have to use Canva. You do not need to be a graphics designer for this to work with. I'm going to show you this is how easy it is. Just a little creativity. This is every person have some creativity. You just need a little creativity of from your part, and you are really good to go with this. So what you can do, I'm going to show you the way you can earn a good amount of money by Canva. So if I for instance, if I take these persons, and these persons have already 25 reviews, and I am sure that not most all the peoples leave review for their work. So if I take he has basic, standard and premium package. For at least for basic package he gets $50. So if I calculate it, and if I calculate it with for just 25 works, and you can see that he made more than $1,000 already. But this is the minimum. Actual earning is much more than that. So if you scroll down here in the his gigs details section, and you can see that what he is designing and how he is going to give you the formats, the templates, so that you can work with. So this is a great way to start earning money. If for instance for these persons, another persons, she is making Instagram templates using Canva. This is really cool. You can make any type of design from Canva right now. This is a really cool way. She is asking at least $30 to $60, and for premium she is asking $70. So this is really cool. You can see how she written his gigs and what he's delivering to his customers. So you just follow this, just post a gigs and follow these descriptions and rewrite in your own words and just post the gigs. This is the first step. I'm going to show you the way you can deliver your gigs, but for the first step, go over to Fiverr, register there, and post your first gig about anything related to Canva that you can design from Canva. You can pick any topic, any Instagram templates, YouTube templates, Facebook post templates, anything you like. You just post on Fiverr.com and you're good to go with the first step. So then move on to the Canva. How you can get that done? If you get order, then definitely you have to deliver it on time. So you will get reputations. Your reputation will much higher and you will get more orders in near future. So if you go over to Canva, they have a pro options, but I'm going to show you in the free registration options. I'm a free user here already. You just go over Canva, and if you search for instance like Instagram post, you can see it. Just write Instagram in the search sections and they are showing you all the Instagram related posts that you can design in Canva right now. So if I for instance click on Instagram post, and this blank space will show up here, and it will show that all the ready-made template, you can see in the left sections, all the ready-made templates are present. They are already built for you. This is, isn't it great? You just click it and it will load into your canvas, and you can start creating your design and you can start editing. So but for instance, like if your customers who running a cat grooming company, so they want cats in their Instagram post, so what you can do, you just search in the template sections, you just search for cats. So all the cats related templates will show up in here, and you can see all are ready made for you. But if you move your mouse over those templates, you can see that not all those templates are free. They are like pro, so you have to pay for the templates. But don't worry, if there not all the parts of this template is paid. You can just select it and remove all the paid parts and then edit it and add your own free parts, free images, and you are good to go. But if don't worry, I'm just showing you simple way how you can get that done without any hassles. You do not need to be a graphics designer for that. So if you can search free images in Canva in the photo sections. So if you want free photos, like you want to make a cat's Instagram post, so you go over to photos and you can search for cats like that, and you can see that all the cats related images are listed here. They are also showing you some pro images that you need to pay to use, but you can find some great looking free images as well. So for instance, if I click on this cat here, this is a black background. So if I click on this image and it loads into the canvas, see how easy it is. You can drag and drop, you can resize it by here, and this is really cool. And also you can rotate it using this button here, and this is really easy to work with. So as we are choosing a black image here, so our canvas should be in black. So click on the canvas and you can select the color here, background color. So I click on background color and choose black for it. See how cool it is, how easy it is to change everything. Then you select it and it's like some you have to add some text here with the image of it. And I want to just for instance for this video, I just resize the image and rotate it something like this, and move it like that, and you can see that there is a text section here. Text section is showing you all the pre-built template. You can add your own, add your customized text and fonts, but you can also use pre-built template from there as well. So if I for instance if I select this template here, it will load into the canvas. See how cool is it? You just drag and drop and it will go like breeze. You can increase the size by dragging the box, or you can also increase the font size here. You can change the font color using here as well. So if I choose yellow, and it looks cool, and you can write and rewrite the text like that. For this video purpose, I'm showing you how you can write the words. So see, it's already looking cool and awesome, and you can also edit it. Also, you can click the alignment, you can change some effects, you can give some really cool effect like this shadows. You can also use, see how cool is that, how easy you can work with Canva, and this looks already awesome. So this is, I have built a Instagram post right in front of you, and you can just hit the download button and give the user the way he wants, and you can export it on PNG, JPG, PDF, SVG, MP4, GIF, and many more ways to the way the persons order the gigs. You have to deliver it on time, and this is the way you can start making money. This is very easy way to start making money. So I recommend just not only Fiverr, you go over to people per hour and submit your gig. You can see, if you go to people per hour and Instagram post, search for Instagram post, you can see that people are making Instagram post here as well for $40, $10, $100, and more professional you work, more money you can ask for. So if you go over to Upwork, and I search for like Canva here, and you can see that all these freelancers are making money using Canva, and this is really cool, and they're making thousands of dollars every hour, every day, and this is really very good. But the thing is, sometimes you need to add some text or quotes like buyer ask, but buyer not will provide that. So for that case, if you need a quotes for a good quotes to make a post, then I suggest you go over to brainyquotes.com. brainyquotes.com is an amazing website, amazing quotes database website that has thousands and thousands of quotes every day listed, and you can find your desired quotes very easy. So if I search it here like cats, you can see that all the cat related quotes are listed here. You just pick anything, anyone you like, and you just add it into your Instagram post building process, and it will be awesome. Your customer will get very happy with your work. So this is definitely a very good way that you can earn more than 50 to 60 to $100 per hour of your work. This is why I recommend you start right now. So guys, you have to be active, and then money will follow you. As I always say, you cannot ask money without doing anything, and just a little work. You do not need to be a graphic designer, you do not need to be a professional. You just use your creativity and you can go with that, and more work you will do, I am sure you will definitely be good at it, and you will become expert on it day by day, and you can earn even more money, thousands of dollars per hour for your work. This is a really good way you can start earning money with Canva right now. So if you are not subscribed yet, please go down below, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, see you later, and thanks for watching.